When it comes to studio lighting, there's a misconception that more light is better. That is not the case when it comes to newborn photography. In today's video, I'm going to talk about high-powered and low-powered lights and why it's important. So when you're getting started with newborn photography, specifically with studio lighting, it can be super overwhelming at all the different choices of lights that are on the market. You're not even sure what to look for. You're not even sure the wattage or the power or even what they do. In this video, I just want to share with you my biggest key tip when it comes to looking for studio lighting for your newborn sessions. So there's a misconception that all light systems are created equal, and that is not the case. There are some lights that are crazy powerful, and the reason for that is they have so much power because they need to overpower the sun. That is not what we're doing with newborn photography. We need low power lights that will go low enough that they mimic indoor, soft, natural light. The system that I use is the Einstein from Paul Buff. I'm not sponsored by them, I just happen to love their low-powered light system. Now when you're looking for a low-powered light, you're going to want to look for something that doesn't go that high. You're going to be wanting to look for something that doesn't need to overpower the sun. Now having a low-powered light, you don't need to be overpowering the sun. What you're looking for is just that soft, natural-looking light. And by having a low-power light, you're going to be able to achieve that. Now the reason that you're looking for low-powered lights is we typically like to shoot as wide open as possible for our sessions. When I'm photographing a newborn, I'm usually using my 35mm and I have it around f2. If you're using a high-powered light, you are not able to open up to be that wide. With a high-powered light, it's just going to blast so much light that you're going to have like an aperture of like 5.6 and higher. And that's not going to give you those yummy, dreamy, soft results that you want. Having a low-powered light is exactly what you need to have great newborn photography. Having a low-powered light is also going to give you the ability when you're using prop shots to have that blurry background. That's that yummy blur that we have behind a prop. With a higher powered light, you're going to have it further away, which creates deeper shadows, which we don't really want. So honestly, I just really suggest when you're looking for your studio lighting, you always look for low-powered light. And if you want more information on how to work with me, I would love to share my Studio Lighting for Newborns course with you. Come on, check it out. If you're just getting started with studio lighting, these are the fundamentals to get you rolling and to get you shooting, getting the results you want quickly. Thank you so much for watching today, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. Okay.